guys, we're here at Purok Ono, Patag. Naawan sa amin sa rental. We're conducting our Laboratory 2 and Laboratory 3. Let's go! Meet the
Ay, bagong anak ko din yun. Ang puso ko.
Wala mo. Nawa pa ipakwan siya.
Uy, timer. 91 tanan.
Delete.
Good day everyone, I am Crystal Giornacino and I'm going to demonstrate the external part of the goat. So this part is a horn, the ear, the eye, the nostrils, the muzzle, the jaw, the throat, and the shoulder brisket, the elbow, the foreleg, the knee, the pastern, the hoof, the heel, and the dew claw, the flank, the stifle, the teeth. Pero gamay gina siya, kaya wala pa man siya likuan. Then, the tail. What's the tail? Tail. Oh, the tail is here, madam. The hook. The hook. And the rear cannon. And this part, the hip. The back. The rump. The neck. And the withers. Oh, that's all, and thank you.
Good day everyone, I am Philnor Itzabaka. Today, I am gonna identify the external parts of a pig or swine. So first, this is ears, head, eye, and snout, jaw, knee, cannon bone, foot, and pastern, and this is the back, side, and belly, and tits,
Day
the tits, and foreplank, and rear plank, then sheath, then declaw, and declaw, tail, rump, and hump. And that's all. Thank you.
So good day everyone, I am Danny Noels. I am going to identify the external parts of a cow. So first, this is the horn, the forehead, the eye, the nostril, the muzzle, the neck, the dollop, the brisket, the forearm, the knee, the hoof, the back, the withers, the fin, tail, switch, the others, the hawk, cannon, juklo. Thank you.
Today we're going to identify the external parts of pig or swine. So, mao ni siya. This is ear, head, jaw, snout. This is back of pig. Dayon yung belly, elbow, dayon knee, cannon bone, pattern, and foot. Pastern rather, and foot. This is tail, four flank. Dayon, this is the That's shelf. And this is the rump. Rump. Vulva. Here the vulva. This is the ham. Stifle, this is stifle joint kani siya. Dayon rear flank kani. Dayon ang hump kay na dinhi. Dayon mo na ang jaw claw. Jaw claw. Kani. Kani yang kuan. Oh. So I think that's all. Thank you.
Good day, Mom. I am John D.J. Porto, and I'm going to introduce or name the external part of a carabao. This is the carabao that I'm going to name the external part. So let's start. The eyes and horn. So as you can see, that is the horn of the carabao, and the ears, the nose, and then muzzle. So going up there, so this is the neck of a carabao. And the back of the carabao, the loin. This is the loin of its loin. And the rump. This is the rump. The hip bone. This is the hip bone. Carabao. The tail. Let's be going. This is the tail. The thigh. The thigh. This part. And the hock. The hock. This one. The pastern. Oh, the pastern of the carabao is here. This is the pastern. As you can see, the pastern. And the elbow. This is the elbow. This is the elbow. The jaw claw. Oh, the jaw claw. Here. This is the jaw claw. And the hoof. Oh, the hoof is under the. This is the hoof. The neck. This is the neck. The hoof. This is the hoof and the neck. Knee. I get knee. There is the knee. And the brisket. It's the brisket. The brisket, the fun. And that's all for the external part of the carabao.